Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trello for to-do lists. To do so, you'll need to go first of all to Trello.com and hit the enter button. This should take you here if you are already logged in. If you're not, you'll have to log in into your account or create an account if you don't have an account. Once you are here, of course, if you have some, as example, a team you're trying to manage and you're creating some to-do list for them, you can simply first of all go to members here on this panel and invite them using their email or name if they have an account. And if you don't, simply click on this. It will copy the link and you can paste it to them. So you'll be able to invite them to the workspace. And now, as example, let's just say I do have here, I guess this one. Yeah, this one is example. I do have here templates for to-do lists as example. So I have here each list, first of all, for specific time period. So this is like some to-do lists that I need to do in the morning. Just check those at the moment. And those are like I need to do after lunch. This is for evening. This is if I done it or not. And this is to do for tomorrow. This example, a to-do list, a simple to-do list. Of course, you can create another custom stuff if you want to. Name it whatever you want. And you can add all the tasks or to a list or to do, of course, that you want to do. So do this, do that, and etc. So once you finish it, you can check it. You can even take it to another like list if you want to. It's totally up to you. So yeah, that's how basically create a to-do list. All you need to do, of course, you can click on specific stuff to add the description if it needs more explanation, especially if you're working with a team. You can add some attachment to it, like a picture, GIF, video, link, whatever you want. You can assign some members to it. And yeah, that's how you basically use Trello for to-do lists. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.